Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing and viewing and testing of this Graviti mini stepper. Quick to assemble, works your legs, hips, glutes and upper body muscle. Max is 100 kilos and we have which muscle am I training? Shoulders, upper back, chest, biceps, lower legs, thighs, and we've got 3 years warranty from Lidl. And let's see. Digital LCD display for calories burned training, time and step counter. Variable step height, large non-slip studs with adjustable resistant bands with hard wearing metal. Carabiners for a secure grip. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice packets. Let's try to lift that. There we are. And inside, of course, we're going to find some manuals. If you want to read it, is your choice. Stay with me, I'm going to find out all about that. Now, included into the box, we have these two plastic foot with support surface. We need to install them here. And from the other side. And included into the box, there is an Allen key, and we've got 2 screws to mount it down here. And next we have these 2 straps with handle. It will help you to do some exercise. I'm gonna find out and that together. And here's the LCD screen. We have the mode timer, RIPS, call, TTR, the timer, and you can push and reset. And everything. That's nice. And next we got this adjustable screw. You can insert it here. Well, I think it's time for testing to see how it works. These two, you can install them here. We have this secure that's nice. And there we are. You can see how it works. And from here you can adjust if you want the easy way, unscrew, and if you want the hard way, you can screw it back. And here you can see the screen. And of course you can exercise your hand with this. And after 5 minutes of exercise, I can feel the differences in my body. Well guys, what do you think about this? Leave down below to the comments your opinion, your thoughts, if you want to buy it. It costs only 44 euros. And I think it's a great tool to make some workout into your home. Why not? And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.